I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the core message and arranging 3-5 main points so you always have a spine to follow. Once done, pick your note format, index cards for mobility, slides notes for decks, or a teleprompter for long reads and commit. Make sure to write cues, short phrases, numbers like 0, 30 for timing, and stage reminders. This early focus prevents overloading. Start now. Strip sentences to prompts and order cards by flow. Next, you transform full text into usable cues by condensing sentences to 3 to 6 words so you read less and speak more. Then, add trigger words for anecdotes, data markers like $ or % for emphasis, and deliberate pause cues. Once done, rehearse with your notes. Do at least 3 full run-throughs, note timing slips, and adjust pacing. Make sure to simulate real conditions. Stand, use mic, or walk so your notes support natural delivery, not replace it. For delivery, rely on notes as prompts while you keep eye contact roughly 60 to 70% of the time. That builds trust. If you get lost, pause and breathe for 3 counts, glance for a single keyword, and continue. This resets pace and looks intentional. Make sure to have a backup, printed index cards and a phone copy, and always test equipment beforehand. One troubleshooting tip: if the teleprompter fails, switch to your shortest cue card and slow your pace to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.